I can't wait to see the fashion show.
Me too. I hear they got a new line from the I Spy series, Fashion Crush.
Let's go, I don't want to be late. Hi everybody, today I'm opening Fashion Crush. So these are very new and we never opened them before, and they doesn't come with dolls. These can dress up our dolls.
So we have l.o.l Surprise Fashion Crush, and this is from the I Spy series. There are 3 surprises. So we have 4 of them to open for you guys today. Super excited.
We got a gold box!
What?
Yes, it's to get which clothes you want to get.
Okay.
It's not the clue. I feel like getting which clothes. I feel like getting this one.
That one, those ones are cute. So it has, oops, I ripped it. So look at all the clothes you can get. There's the Glam Club, Athletic Club, Sleepover Club, and Swim Club.
Ooh.
So it looks like there's popular, fancy, there has the rare, and the ultra rares. Ooh, that's cool.
Yeah.
Ooh!
Yay. I think we're getting a rare one tonight.
Oops. Oh, so there are things on here too. I see an A. And is a hat?
Yes, a hat.
Looks like a hat.
Yeah.
So they come in these little laundry baskets, and it looks like this one's a gold one.
Like a hat. It looks like a toque.
I'm just gonna open it up here.
I think how you open it.
Ooh, here, I'll give it to you. Hold on, let me just open it. This is so cool. There's a jelly layer inside.
Wait, can I see?
Yeah.
Are you kidding me? Ew, this is so hard. Ew, yeah. That's why we needed to use this now. Oh my gosh, I think we're getting the one I wanted.
Can I see the jelly, Aria?
Ew.
Oh, that's the one you said you wanted in the beginning.
Ooh, there's also some stars inside, and here, look at this jelly.
Oh yeah, here, pass me the jelly here. Is there stars in there?
Yeah. I'll just keep digging in this.
Oh, it is cute.
I will just keep digging in this little thing.
So there's little star glitters inside the jelly. The jelly layer is very firm.
I know. I think
So here's the first accessory she got. Ooh, that's the one you were saying you wanted in the beginning. Here's the sunglasses. Super cute. Ooh, that's so cute.
It looks, this jelly is so gross. Ew, this is gross.
Look at that.
This feels so clear.
Is there anything else? Oh, the shoes.
Yes. And
Ooh, it's kind of
sticky.
yeah, like. Let's see the other shoe.
This jelly is so cool. I feel like keeping it.
So here's the shoe.
Does it say you can keep this?
I guess you can. You can keep it in a container, but it's kind of messy. So it looks like we got the Sleepover Club. This is from the Sleepover Club, and this one is a rare. We got some really cute outfits.
Yes.
So this time Aria got blue, and looks like there's moon sparkles inside. So we're gonna do it this way this time. Aria, I'm gonna take it out and you have to smash it. Wait, let me show everybody.
Oh my gosh, I think oh.
Look how pretty that looks, guys. And then there's moon inside.
Wait.
Moon, little glitter things inside. So you put it on here and you smash it.
Okay, so look at this. Can you see it?
You smash it. Oh!
Oh my god. I think this is from the Sleepover Club.
Oh, it's adorable.
This
It is in the Sleepover Club. We got a popular one.
This stuff's on it. Oh my god. It's yummy.
There's the outfit.
My favorite part is the jelly. The jelly.
And the shoes.
I think this is my favorite color. Yeah.
Blue. I think it'll look pretty with all of them mixed together.
Ooh, should
We
we
can
try
do that. Yeah, we can do it after.
Yeah.
And there are the shoes with the pom-poms on top.
The pom-pom, yes.
All right, let's see who you get next.
Mix this up. Oh, my hands are so slippery.
Ooh!
I like
Show everybody that. Go hold it like this.
Okay, look at what we got here. Ooh, God, the skirt is so full. This is more fuller than the shorts.
Ooh, we got that from the Glam Club.
Ooh. There's still some inside here.
Yeah, we're gonna have to wash it off with water.
This is... Ooh, I like pom-pom.
And the top.
I like pom-pom.
Pom-pom.
And next stop is
Shoes.
shoes.
Put that there. And our last one.
My hands
What
are...
color do you think the jelly's gonna be?
I think the jelly's gonna be clear.
No.
Blue.
No.
What is it?
Okay, close your eyes.
Purple! And we got some stars on it.
Oh, that one has stars and the moon.
Ooh, I think this is a swimming suit. Ew! What's your underwear? Okay, this is weird. What is this thing? Oh!
Ooh, it's a bathing suit? Is it a bathing suit? Yes, it is a bathing suit. We got something from the swim
I
club.
thought it was from the I thought it was underwear.
There's the bathing suit. And it came with sunglasses.
And it came with, I can't get the sign out, but this is the shoes.
Ooh. Oh yeah, it's all stuck in there. We have to wash all this before we dress the dolls up.
Yes. First, let's mix them up now. 1, 2, 3, 4.
It's very messy.
I can't even put it inside because
I don't even think you can really mix them together.
I think you can. Like this. They're getting all
But they won't melt, like they won't,
melt?
yeah, it just stays firm like that.
No, I think it will melt soon if I do this.
So which one was your favorite outfit, Aria?
I have two outfits that I like. So I like the baby suit one, and I like this one. And my favorite hat was, I like this one and this one. And then my favorite slime was here. I liked the purple one and the blue one.
Yeah?
Because I really like blue and purple.
Look at all the little
Slime.
sparkles inside there.
Bye everybody, thank you for watching. Bye.
Bye everyone!